Yes, so my people, now sport and comedy, now we dey so as I don't know now. My name now too unique, and as it is, so I don't dey here to come talk too much story. As it is, so because he get wetin make me go all the way, go bring person come here today. I get special guest for now, all the way from France, enter England, come waka come, only waka come Nigeria, and the person who I get for now today because me. As I dey so, I don't fit outside the dress, I don't fit outside the boy, but I totally be intentionally carry and come make una sef hear wetin dey talk. And who be the person dey talk? I dey talk of Arsene Wenger. Welcome to our program for sport and comedy.
Merci tout le monde, merci mon ami, merci tout unique.
Wait, you come. Na only two unique. Why you come mon ami? Don't you?
Tout unique, you're mon ami, you're mon friend, everything, c'est bon.
Well, okay. It's a bomb to you too. As it is so, my question where I get for you as a Wenger, they say, now your 22nd year na be this for Arsenal. Even though pikin when they born that time, he don't grow there, so they don't shave, so they don't know they used to stick again. He don't, some of them don't they retire. As a Wenger, what is the achievement for 22 years for England?
Merci. You see,
wait, you call Messi now. The one waiting for Barcelona or the one waiting for Barca?
Messi, Barcelona. Messi is a good player, tremendous player. So you say my achievement?
Nah, because you won't cut corner. Your achievement for 22 years for Premier League.
Oh, it's very clear. I won. I made Arsenal invisible. 49 matches unbeaten. No team beat us for EPL. Thierry Henry, I made Thierry Henry a world-class striker in the whole universe. Can you win ko?
Our own Papilo.
Papilo, he said Papilo. Thank you. Can you win ko? I made him a good player. I motivated him into setting up a Heart Foundation.
So now what is
yes,
Heart Foundation Wenger?
We motivated Kanu to set up a Heart Foundation.
Okay.
I won FA Cup.
Okay.
I won EPL back to back. I've made a tremendous profit for Arsenal. So when you say achievement, I've made tremendous achievement.
Nah, really tremendous.
I brought young players, small players. I buy them with £1. I sell them with £50 million. I brought 17-year-old. There's a 10-year-old player I brought. So I've had tremendous.
Nah, nobody even tremendous. Now tremendous and tremendous.
Oh, you can say that again.
Now I don't do. I say Wenger. Back to my question. But fans say, na analog brain, I do your brain. That's in your brain still get analog. You get content. For this digital era, what day? 18th, 19th century brain, I see the use. For this 20th century, I say Wenger. Arsenal don't backlash. Then a backlash or backlash. What did happen to Arsenal?
It's no, nothing is happening to Arsenal. Arsenal remain Arsenal. When you say fans, which fans you mean? You mean Africa fans or you mean France where they for England? Because football is about passion. If you want to support Arsenal Football Club, you have to be passionate. You have to support it with passion. So within backslide, okay, this season I'm the first coach, the first manager to win a trophy. I won the Community Shield trophy.
Not really trophy. Community Shield, now be the first trophy we win for this season.
Oui.
But what happened? They say, una be gunners as now they come and say una be gunners. And una go no they shoot anything against. Common mosquito, you know they shoot. Now they, tiang. Now they hear, you know they sound kosa again. What happened as a Wenger? Because as it is so now, fans they vex. The vex okay they say you too stingy, as in your hand like this. Machine no fit open am. You too stingy, you be Aradite, Akagom. They say you need to sign better players. You need to spend money make to buy world-class player. As a Wenger, what's happening?
They say no same player. Ozil, I signed Ozil. I signed Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. I signed these players with big money. Of which, in fact, I'm not happy I signed those players with that sort of money because the money is too much.
Let me repeat them again. You say you are not what?
The money, l'argent, c'est grand beaucoup. The l'argent is too much.
Okay.
I'm not happy. The kind of players I like signing, that's why I signed Elneny with small amounts of money. I will groom them. Then Elneny is a top class player.
Elneny is a top class player.
I also signed Danny Welbeck. Danny Welbeck will still win the world best. Daniel Welbeck will win the world best.
For this Earth or for Jupiter?
Aaron Ramsey. Have you seen Aaron Ramsey giving passes? Aaron Ramsey
what do you call her now?
Aaron Ramsey.
Aaron, no, you know when you have Aaron in your team, what do you expect? Aaron will be playing like Aaron. Aaron, go to Ewu. Now you get for your team. Aaron Ramsey.
When you say Ewu, what is Ewu?
Don't worry.
Aaron Ramsey is better. Aaron Ramsey is better than Javi Hernandez. Is better than David Silva. The Scorpion King, you know the Scorpion King, Olivier Giroud. Olivier Giroud. Olivier Giroud.
Now when they do model, when they fly head.
Olivier Giroud is top. Il est tout très bon. C'est très bon. Il est tout good.
Très bon.
C'est très bon. The guy is too good. He is too good.
You know Tom.
That is why Chelsea signed him because of the Scorpion King. Chelsea signed the Scorpion King, Olivier Giroud.
I just want to Chelsea do mistakes. But you say you don't call him. You say Eleni better. Say Ramsey better pass Xavi. Now you talk about
we.
No be we. Now you talk am.
Yes, me. We.
We for waiting. You, not me.
We.
Recently, Arsene Wenger, waiting we hear again. We say you receive back to back purposes. You know what I mean? We say make a break it down for you don't understand. As in they beat you back to back, they flog you. As in they spoil your carbon. As in bumper to bumper beating, and they beat you. Arsene Wenger. So they wait for even make me pay me pass. Brighton on a Brighton or 4 club. They flog you 2-1. Arsene Wenger, what happened?
This place is Sophie. Can I heat?
Sir?
This heat.
For inside AC studio. Okay, I go blow you. Make I use this for the fan.
Thank you.
This one don't do. Okay, take water. Take am.
Okay, merci, mon ami. Merci. Sorry.
This one I hungry right now.
Back to your question. You say they beat me back to back.
They paint you, they propose you, as in they panel beat you.
See,
one no, I want share leg baba.
Share me leg ba? You say one share me leg ba? I hear you leg ba whiskey. Do you show leg
ba? Baba, you say Jazzy?
Oui. Okay, you say they beat me. You see, Man City, the big club.
Okay.
Man City can beat any team in the Brighton are what best club. Brighton can beat Real Madrid. Brighton fit beat Barcelona. Brighton fit beat any team. So I'm not ashamed. I'm not ashamed. Not ashamed. So Man City can beat any team. So why won't I take it?
You know, say losing our water where they drink. This water say we dey na lose water. So
I don't know about that. So anything, it's football. Okay. Football is about winning. When you don't win, you still support your team. Even if I lose 10 matches in a row, I need the fans to support me.
You know, say this is where they talk now because they decide to say outside they can't beat you up or beat you, or they can't fans out or call. You know, see some people now their school fees now they think they play betting where they play say Arsenal to win. Because like this now people want to stake Arsenal to win for betting because they thought say see.
Excusez-moi, you say you gamble?
Leave that one don't concern you. No use, no change the topic.
The call.
Eh?
The call. It's okay.
Now you saw that one.
You see, people say I read your paper.
Eh?
I read Complete Sports in London. People say Abi Baba Ijebu. They said Abi Baba Ijebu. I know the Greece pen. Say I be Akagum. Say I know the Greece pen player. I know they spend money on big players. But why? I make profit for my team. When you say I don't sign players, I get mad. I don't spend money.
I don't hear. I say when I go outside, as they talk now. If you know, well, make I don't talk too much because if I stay, I don't go know when I go raise hand, and if I go raise hand now, what I go do? You don't go like them. But the question was just ask you, more no be like say I did furious because you be my guest. The question will say, as a coach, you dey Nigeria now, and Nigeria will do for World Cup. What do you think go be Nigerian chances? Our chances for World Cup.
Thank you. Nigeria, great football team.
Nigeria football.
Sorry, Arsenal.
It's
too much on me. The pressure of Arsenal is too much on me.
Now you go make you go.
It's too much. So Arsenal, the football club, Nigeria will do well because they have good players. They have passionate fans. Under one of the players, Iwobi is my boy. I brought Iwobi from I nurtured him up. So they will do well. Do you know why they will do what?
Why? Abeg, tell us.
He gets one better player with there. Their goalkeeper. There's one goalkeeper, world class goalkeeper. I want sign the keeper for Arsenal to replace Peter Cech. Yes, the guy go replace Peter Cech.
Abeg, who be that player? Who be that keeper we want sign on?
Oh, it's very clear, it's very glaring. This tremendous goalkeeper is Daniel Akpeyi.
Yeah, Wenger! Akpeyi!